What's up guys? In today's video we're gonna remove the wrap for the Supra. So I'm gonna show you how to remove a full wrap. Let's do it. Okay, today we're gonna remove the wrap for the Supra. First thing that I recommend is washing the car. I already washed my car, but it started raining today, so it's a little bit wet. I'm just gonna wipe it off and I'm gonna put it inside of the garage. Let's start with the removal. Okay, now we're ready to remove the wrap. For the cleaning, you don't have to go too crazy in the cleaning, okay? It's just a simple rinse to remove the dirt that is on top of the car. Okay, after you remove the wrap, you have to do a very nice car detail to the car before you install the new wrap. Okay, but for this one you have to do a quick wash to remove the dirt. And another tip for the wrap removal: if the weather is like a sunny and hot, put the car outside for an hour and then you can bring the car and start removing the wrap. That makes the material, the vinyl, softer. Okay, one more thing: before you remove the wrap, check what parts you need to remove. Maybe for me, I have to remove this one. I have to remove the emblems. I don't know, maybe I can try to remove it without removing the door handle. If not, I have to remove the door handle, I have to remove the spoiler, and I have to remove the emblem. For this one, you have to make a template, okay? I already have a video how to make the template for this one. I'm gonna put the link of the video in the description of the video down below, or if you are watching the training, it's in my in the training list, okay? All right, so let's start with the removal. One tool that is very important: a heat gun. We will need the heat gun to make the vinyl softer, and with that we can pull the vinyl. Also, I have this kind of heat gun. I'm gonna put the links for both products in the description of the video. This one is better, but if you have a heat gun, you can do it with a heat gun. Okay, on the corners, on the edges, it's easier to pull the vinyl. Okay, so let's start with the fenders. And I already have my new material that I'm gonna put for the new wrap, okay? And the vinyl brand is Vinyl Frog. I'm gonna put the link for this company in the description of the video down below, because they're gonna have a Black Friday discount, okay? If you wanna get good prices, the link is gonna be in the description down below. And put in the comments what color I'm gonna put for the Supra, okay? Let me know what color do you think I'm gonna install for the Supra. Okay, and here we're gonna start removing the wrap on the fender. I'm using the heat gun to make the vinyl softer. And to start in a corner, it's easier, because if you try to remove it from the center or sides, it's harder. One corner, it will make your life easier. And not all the vinyls are the same. Some vinyls are harder to remove. Like 3M is a little bit easier to remove. The glue is not that strong, but this material, the glue, is very strong, so you have to pull a little bit stronger and harder. So that's why the heat gun is very important. You need a heat gun to remove any wrap when you're doing the removal, to remove the wrap. It will make your life more easier. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Sometimes you will have some small pieces of wrap leftovers on the panel. You can remove it with a plastic like this one, or a plastic blade. You can lift it with that, but don't use a metal blade, okay? Because you don't want to scratch your car paint. Okay, to remove the hood wrap, I'm gonna try to lift the edges, and then from there I'm gonna start lifting it up. Now again, the same process. Start with a corner. You don't have to lift all the edges, only one small piece, and from there you can start lifting the vinyl. The hood is the hardest part to remove, because the hood is the one that gets all the heat from the sun, and sometimes the heat the sun will toast the vinyl, so it will get stuck super hard. Okay, so this is the part that took me a little bit more time to remove, because it was very hard. The glue is super strong in this vinyl, so it's a little bit harder. But remember, not all the vinyls. Some vinyls are easier than others, but this brand is a little bit harder. But the hood is the hardest part of my car. The rest of the parts are easier. Okay, but as you can see here, still it's removable, it's doable. Okay, you can see I was lifting little by little by little. Okay, so almost done here. Lift a little bit, and then it's done. Okay, now it's time to remove the vinyl from the door. I'm starting with the door handle. I use the heat gun to soften the vinyl on the edges, but in this area it's a little bit easier, okay, to remove. Also, try not to leave any vinyl behind, like small pieces under the edges. But if you do, you can remove that later. Like here I did on the corner. Same thing in here. Try to remove everything in one piece, but if you can't, it's okay. But it's better if you remove everything in one piece. In here, as you can see, as I'm leaving something on the edges, use the heat gun. Before you pull on the last piece on the edges, use the heat gun, and the vinyl will get softer, and everything it will come out in one piece, like I'm doing here. Okay, we're almost done. Halfway there, but let me show you this. After you remove a wrap, it will leave some glue. You can see it. So I have to clean it. I have to clean it with a clay bar and alcohol before I install the new wrap. But sometimes it has glue, like here it has glue. Okay, so before you install the wrap, you have to clean all that. But we're almost done. You can see it. Let's see, you can see it like that. Yes. It's nice in black too. Okay, so let's continue with the removal. Only need to do the rear bumper and the trunk. Okay, this is how it looks with the wrap removed. I still have to remove the spoiler, this piece, and now the next one is the trunk and bumper. You can see that's the last part, and after that we're done. Okay, I already removed the wrap for the rim bumper, but I still have some pieces left, like this one. You can see it. This. In order for me to remove that one, I have to remove this plastic trim. Okay, some pieces are like that. You have to remove some parts. But this one, as you can see, everything is almost done. But you have to remove. I have to remove that one and this one, and it has a small piece in there. For that I have to unscrew the bumper and lift it, open it, and then I can peel it off. Okay, now the only thing left is the trunk, so let's do that. Okay, so the wrap is already removed, as you can see it. is everything is removed. I still need to wash it. Has some glue, still has some glue right there on the paint, on the window. The glue you can remove it with the alcohol because on the paint it's easier to remove, but sometimes some materials will leave like this, a lot of glue. For that you can use this goof off. With this one you can spray the goof off on a rag like this and then remove it, or spray directly to the glue like this, and then you can remove it. You can see it's coming off. I need to get another one. It's almost gone. You can see it's removing the glue, right? Yeah, I need to get another of this one, but you get the idea. Okay, so if you want to remove, if it has a lot of glue only, use this one, but if it's a little bit, you can remove it with a clay bar or with alcohol. Okay, but as you can see it there, it looks nice in black, but black is a hard color to keep clean, so that's why I like it in wrap, and I do wraps for a living, so for me wrap is the way to go. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay guys, this is how to remove the wrap from a car, from the paint. Okay, it's not that easy, it takes a little bit of time and energy to remove it. Okay, and if you have a little bit of glue, use alcohol or a clay bar. Okay, also this video is gonna be added to my training course. Okay, for those that already subscribed for my training, I'm gonna keep adding this video and more videos. Okay, and the full wrap is gonna be here on YouTube and also on my training with more details. Okay, the link for the training is gonna be in the description of the video down below. If you already subscribed, you can watch it. Okay, if you have a question, put in the comments. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.